So here I have this oven. If you turn the timer, you can hear it ticking, but this light is not lighting up. And also, if you look inside, the bars aren't heating up. So here's the inside. This goes to the element here, and this is the timer. And immediately, when I looked at the timer circuitry, this looks very loose and kind of broken. Now at the front, you can take off this and take out these two screws. So here's the timer mechanism, and it has a mechanical clock in there that it connects one side to the other through this contact thing. You can see that it goes up when it's on, so that means it's contacted there. And then after it dings, the contact will go down. So the problem was that the other contact kind of broke off. So I'm going to be using some glue to get the new contact in there, using some JB Weld and some. You could just order the part, but then you have to wait a couple days to get it. So here you can see the internal gears. It's just like your old timer clock. So I'll just be putting this back together, just gluing that plastic back using some JB Weld. I'm just tacking everything using some hot glue. And then later I'll just put a coat of JB Weld over that. So the glue held it in place and the JB Weld just made it a good contact. Just put it back together. Here we'll start up. You can hear the continuity. Continuity is good, and then we'll just pull it back to ding, and then it shouldn't have any continuity. There you go. So it's working now. Let's pop it back in, see if it's working. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, you can like and subscribe.